Hello, good morning. Let's drill. I'm cooking for lunch. Sinigang. Sinigang oink oink. Sinigang. Ito ang kanyang mga sahog. Radish and gabi. And kangkong and okra with chili. Habang nakasalang ang rice ko. Isa lang ako ngayon, mamaya-maya pa yung trabahador. You will come later, the people that is working here for my ceiling. It's just like this. Not yet. I'm making my ceiling too much hot. It's too much messy. Still messy. Because people are working in my house. This is my small house. My small house. That one is another room. Nobody living there. Another room. See too much. Make the kisame or the ceiling still. Here. Going out to my terrace. There. My son living up. It's not yet done now. Oh, too much. Need kisame ceiling. This is my room. Still messy. It's messy. I make the installation also of the electricity. Electrical. Messy pa rin, messy.
Thy path throughout the universe display. Then sings my soul.